She's in. The sofa is in. Look how good she looks. Ah. We've just arrived at Winter Wonderland with the gang. Whoop, Katie's birthday.
You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
Guys, what are we thinking of the new hair? Are you snuggling together? Are you cuddling together? Bathroom idea number 1. Bathroom idea number 2. Bathroom idea number 3. Bathroom idea number 4. And bathroom idea number 5. This is the next room my decorator's going to be focusing on, and that is my study office area. But we've just arrived in Brighton. It's arrived. It's so tall. It's taller than me. It's looking fab. Just need some bulbs now.
Take me to your heart.
This is it from the front. It is duck egg blue, and I'm so in love.
Take me to your soul.
Messing around with the IKEA kitchen planner. Do you want to come see, Robs? It's literally transformed the fireplace. How nice does it look? I have sparkly hair. My sofa has arrived, guys. I'm so happy. This is my hair. Not really what I had intended, but it will do. But we've just arrived at Doomsday Games. Dun dun dun. How do you get in? 2, 3. I don't even know. They are. Oh, they are so nice. What do you think, Luna? Guys, we have some super exciting news. Woo! We have been granted planning permission. We've been shopping. We have pink grout.
Oh!
I don't know if any of those go. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Put her on the floor then. So I've just arrived in Paris and we've got off the Eurostar, jumped in a cab, and we've come to a restaurant called Monster Bleu, and it is directly in front of the Eiffel Tower.
Take me to your soul.
I think we're going to go for this one.
With the gold as well.
Yeah, with gold, and also I just like the fact that like this is a shape, then we've got the square, then you've got like the hexagon tiles. It's like different shapes. Guys, oh my god, I love my new hair. Looking fresh. And this room has been done as well. So I'm loving this denim pink cold. So cute. It's this jacket and skirt.
I belong to you.
Oh my god, guys, it's my shell sink from Heritage Bathrooms.
You're the one I trust.
It smells amazing. It smells like guacamole. That's actually quite good. Bride-to-be has arrived. Are you ready for the weekend ahead? For Brighton Beach. Here's the group, here's the gang. And we're going to take some pictures, have some fish and chips. We've all got our crowns on. Hello, new car. Oh my god, it's so nice. Driving a new car. I can't believe you're over kidding. So what do I do? Put my foot on the brake.
Yeah.
Like that and just... That is so cool. Guys, it worked. I have orange and green hair. Oh my god. I've got a toilet and a sink. Oh my god, my sink. I love my sink. Look at my brass taps.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you.
But yeah, see you on the other side, guys, when I land in LA. Guys, I am festival ready for Coachella. This view, oh my god, can't cope. It's amazing. I'm in Vegas, baby.
You're the one I trust.
This is so cute. Look at that couple on the gondola. You guys comment and say that I look like Sabrina from the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina on Netflix. And this is what the kitchen extension's looking like right now. So I've just filmed getting lippy with
Oh my god, it was
Imogen.
so much. You were so good.
Oh, thanks.
Like honestly, it was so like we had a bit of a chat beforehand,
Yeah,
didn't
we
we?
did.
About life.
Little heart to heart,
Yeah.
bless us. I've just come to the new house to see what the builders have been getting up to today, and this is what they've been doing. Guys, this is my new hair. What do we think? Oh my god, I'm loving it. Oh, so we got delayed for an hour. Not too bad, I guess. But we're just about to board our propeller plane. How amazing is this view? I literally feel like I'm on holiday.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you.
Also, I've just hit 1 million followers on Instagram. We are about to meet Craig David, and I'm so nervous. guys head to the airport. I'll be there, here I come. Look at this view. Unreal. Oh, this is so exciting. Shit.
I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around.
Back from the hairdressers. This is my hair. I spy Urban Decay setting up dinner for us. Oh my god, this is the cutest. My builder fitted my bifold doors yesterday. Guys, what do we think of my new hair? Oh my god. Guys, I'm in Cannes. It's handleless, but it's in. It looks so nice.
Take me to your heart.
So guys, this is my new hair. What do we think?
Take me to your soul.
I'm ready. Boom down, here we come. Guys, the wallpaper is up and it looks amazing. Guys, I'm in LA. Guys, we have arrived in Ibiza. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Guys, oh my god. My blue hair's back. This has happened. Look how nice it looks. So, just arrived in Paris with made.com.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
The babies are in. The fur babies are in.
Yeah.
Guys said that you like Robin in my vlogs. Don't put a face like that, really? Come on. Hey guys, so I just arrived in Paris with L'Oreal makeup. to James. Loving it. It's my birthday and I am 29 today, which is very scary.
I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
Our table is up and oh my god, we actually have a proper dining table. We have just arrived at Thicket Priory, the GHD event. The tree is up and oh my god, it looks so cute. Ready for Christmas Day.
Do just what you want. You're the one I try.
My new hair, oh my god, I love it. I'm so happy.
And I'll always be right.